Hey guys, it's Brian again with another ceiling fan video. What I have for you here is a 42-inch hugger ceiling fan sold by JC Penney and manufactured by Alaska, also known as Sheng Yuan. I believe this to be from the late 1980s, possibly early 90s. It's antique brass with cane blades. It has the cast aluminum vented spinner motor that the Alaska-made Sheng Yuan fans have. Pretzel brackets, or tulip brackets as some people call them, and the original light kit that came on it when I picked it up from Habitat. Very interesting fan. It's not very often that you see 5-bladed Alaska-made or Sheng Yuan-made huggers anymore. Not quite sure how well these sold, but I've never seen one in real life. This is the first one I've ever seen. I've seen pictures of them, and it has the classic low, medium, high pull chain that Alaska-made fans use. Original shades that came on the fan, probably from the factory, or as an option when people, whoever owned it before, got it. It's in really good condition. I'd go as far as to say mint. The cane on the blades is just gorgeous. Not a scratch on them. As most of you know, I have a thing for these Alaska-made fans. They're very childhood for me. So anyway, let's go ahead. We'll start it off on low. And it does have the original Alaska acorn pull chains on it. Like I said, the fan was 100% complete when I got it from Habitat, and it runs very well. Not the greatest thing in the world as far as air movement, but still a pretty cool little fan. Somewhat on the harder to find scale. There is no tag on the motor, but I know who made this fan. I'm not entirely sure what the model number is. I suppose if anybody has a JC Penney catalog and can find it, leave a comment down below. Medium. Turn the light kit off so you can see it without the light. It is a reversible fan. The reverse switch is on the other side of the switch housing. Turn the light back on. It's moving a fairly decent amount of air for a fan of its size. Nothing too impressive, but still a good fan. Very quiet fan. And high. It's a good air mover. It's not, like I said, you know, a K55 Casablanca, Emerson, or a Hunter Original, but for a fan of its size, it does pretty well. Only the slightest amount of hum to it. Go ahead and spin down. Definitely something that I'm going to keep in my collection, considering that it's somewhat unique and I've never seen one before. Bearings could probably use a little bit of oil. It's got a pretty short spin down. Other than that, it runs pretty good. Definitely a good fan. So there you have it. That's the 42-inch JC Penney Hugger made by Alaska. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching, more videos to come.